Guys, do you know 1890, this is how they used to sharpen the pencil. Maybe this is advanced. I think I may like this. It's so cool. See the invention, huh? So this is 1920, how they used to do that. I think that's also look damn cool. Oh, that's nice. So 1886, this is how they use it. It's getting better and better, I think. You see, it's good. It's good. I think I would like to, if I'm painting, I would like this one. So 1910. Oh, what is happening? Oh, that looks sick, man. That's good. That's good. That's good. And this is 1904. Love the invention. Love that. That's good. Why this?